All right, so one of the things I talk about is getting proper nutrition, and this is a mail delivery service, one of many mail delivery services that can get you healthy food. And so this is a weekly meal delivery service that we get, and it's organic, it's fresh. It makes it easy that when you need to grab something quick, just to grab something. So I just wanted to go through this and open this box and kind of show you what's in here. So one of the things I like, this is a smoothie. It's got blueberries and dark chocolate and almonds and spinach, and it's a smoothie, and it's great. And so you mix it with coconut water or almond milk or whatever you want as far as mixing fluid with that. But it's just an easy meal. It doesn't fill me up, and it doesn't but at the same time it does satisfy my hunger typically. So this is a good option to have around the house. So that when you want some nutrition, you want a little bit of fiber, you want something to taste good, this is there, and you just make a quick smoothie and make it simple for yourself. So this is chickpeas, parsnips, kale, mustard seed, turmeric, which is good for lowering your inflammation, and fenugreek. And then this is called a bowl, and essentially you just put this in the microwave, put it on for 5 minutes. And now you have a warmed up meal that's got some pretty good tasting vegetables, and you can add stuff to it. I put hot sauce and sometimes peanut butter or almond butter. I'll put something else in there to help with the taste. But just by themselves, they taste great. They're good options to have around the house, so that you have a meal that's not processed or not what you want to be eating and things like that as far as your health, because what you put in your body really does matter. The healthier fuel you give your body, usually the stronger you're going to feel, the better you're going to perform, and that's it. So this is, again, one of many parts in improving your wellness is food and food choices and the fuel you put in your body. Thanks. If this was helpful, hit like, or if you know someone that would benefit maybe from hearing about the importance of food in improving your health, share this with them, and that's it. Thanks.